Good morning, South Houston Intermediate. Today is January the 15th, 2021. Just a few announcements today. Just a reminder, I know you've heard this the last few days, but no food or drinks are going to be allowed in the cafeteria during DIY. You can have your water bottles, but if we keep finding them left behind after your DIY session, then we're going to go ahead and take those away as well. Just try and keep those with you or throw them away on your way out. Next week, we are going to discuss asynchronous days. You need to discuss them with your parents this weekend. February the 1st, March the 1st, and April the 12th are going to be asynchronous days where everybody is going to be working on their own on the computer. You need to discuss with your parents whether or not you're going to be doing that from home or working here at school. Everyone, even the kids that are labeled face-to-face, you're going to be able to stay home and work virtually on these days. Next week, we need a commitment from you and your family on whether or not you're going to be here at school or working from home. So discuss that with your parents this weekend. Just a reminder, there is no school for students on Monday or Tuesday. No school for students on Monday or Tuesday. Just remember that. So you got a long weekend. So do what you need to do today. Get your work done. Do any makeup work you might need to do so you can rest on this long weekend. That's all we have for today. Have a great Friday, and we'll see you around school.